For the bonus question, I just drew a sketch of what was said in the instructions, that this ladder was 6 feet apart and the ladder is 10 feet and it slides away from the wall at a rate of 1.2 feet per second. First, we gotta discover d theta over dt. That's what the question is looking for. So basically, we know the cosine of theta, this is theta, is gonna be adjacent side times the hypotenuse. So it's gonna be x over L, and this is gonna be x over 10. We don't need to put the value of x right now. So x is going to be 10 cosine of theta. And we can say that dx over dt is gonna be negative 10 times sine of theta, the d theta over dt. And then we know that dx over dt is 1.2, so we're just gonna plug 1.2 for dx over dt, and we're gonna pass the 10 that is multiplying, dividing to the other side. It's gonna be 1.2 divided by 10 equals negative sine of theta d theta over dt. If we assume that x is gonna be equal to c, we're gonna find that the angle of theta is going to be the cosine. Now we are gonna find the theta, so basically the theta is gonna be 0.9272, and when we plug the sine of 0.9272, you find that it's gonna be equals to 0.8. Basically, we're just gonna plug the 0.8 on the expression, and we're just gonna leave the d theta over dt on one side and pass the sine of theta dividing since he's multiplying here. Since it's a negative sign, just gonna do negative 1 over 2 divided by 10 times 0.8, and at the end we got that d theta over dt is equals to negative 0.15.